Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create this simple low poly sofa in PMX editor. So let's start. First go to edit, then simple primitive add, go to the box section and click adding. You can close this window, then go to material, select the box, and I'm going to change the color of this so that we can work with it better. Make sure the reflective is 0, this way you can see the edges. You can make this 0 as well, and now you can see everything better. Use the object operation and the scale settings to adjust the square to be sort of the area of where the character is going to sit. This will also determine the size of the sofa. You can make a small sofa or you can make a long sofa. Once you're done, go to box section, right click, and select replication of the material parts. Then replication the vertex/face, and then press yes. This will create a copy in vertex/masking material window. Select the second box. Now slightly move this to the side until it reaches the corner. Then select the vertices from the right side and drag it to make it a bit smaller. Then select the top vertices and pull it upwards. This will create the back of the sofa. Now to make the armrests, select the first box again and replicate it once more. Now make sure that only the last box is selected, then select one of the sides and drag it to the other. And make sure it's the size that you want the armrest to be. And then select the top vertices and then drag it upwards. And there we have the armrest. Now to do the other side, select here, in selections, select M, select all the vertices of the armrest only, go to edit, selected object, mirror image object creation, and press yes. And now we have the other armrest. And that's how to do a sofa in PMX editor. And you can even do other variations of sofas just by editing the vertices. You can create different styles. You can also adjust it to make it more to your liking. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.